Hi students, welcome to today's class. Today we will discuss the topic robotics. Robotics is a branch of technology that deals with physical robots. Robots are programmable machines that are usually able to carry out a series of actions autonomously or semi-autonomously. Robots can interact with the physical world via sensors and actuators, the devices that actually move the robot joints. The robots are programmable and the robots are usually autonomous or semi-autonomous. Robotics is a branch of technology that deals with the physical robots. Robotics is an interdisciplinary branch of engineering and research area for information engineering, computer science, mechanical engineering, electronic engineering, and others. Robotics involves design, construction, operation, and use of robots. The goal of robotics is to design intelligent machines that can help and assist humans in their day-to-day lives and keep everyone safe. Robotics develops machines that can substitute for humans and replicate human actions. Robots can be used in many situations and for lots of purposes, but today many are used in dangerous environments, including inspection of radioactive materials, bomb detection and deactivation, manufacturing processes, or where humans cannot survive, example in space, underwater, in high temperature. Robots can take on any form, but some are made to resemble humans in appearance. Meet Mitra, first made in India humanoid robot. Mitra. Okay. Next one, big data and its characteristics. Big data is a term used to describe extremely large data sets that traditional database applications cannot deal with. The term big data refers to a huge volume of data that cannot be stored, processed by any traditional data storage or processing units. Big data is generated at a very large scale and it is being used by many multinational companies to process and analyze in order to uncover insights and improve the business of many organizations. Examples of big data include social media posts, communication over the internet, continuously monitored banking interactions, data from surveillance systems, and many others. Next one, characteristics of big data. First one, volume, variety, value, velocity, and veracity. Volume, huge amount of data. Variety, different formats of data from various sources. Value, extract useful data. Velocity, high speed of accumulation of data. Veracity, inconsistencies and uncertainty in data. First one, volume. It refers to the enormous amount of data generated. It refers to the unimaginable amounts of information generated every second from social media, cell phones, cars, credit cards, M2M sensors, images, video, and whatnot. We are currently using distributed systems to store data in several locations and brought together by a software framework like Hadoop. Facebook alone can generate about billion messages, 4.5 billion times that the like button is recorded and over 350 million new posts are uploaded each day. Such a huge amount of data can only be handled by big data technologies. Volume of data. Okay. The data has to be stored over multiple servers, each of which is composed of many hard drives. Clear? Second one, variety. It refers to the number of types of data generated. Variety of big data refers to structured, unstructured and semi-structured data that is gathered from multiple sources. While in the past, data could only be collected from spreadsheets and databases. Today, data comes in an array of forms such as emails, PDFs, photos, videos, audios, SM posts and so much more. Variety of data are generated through this emails, PDFs, etc. Okay. Third one, value. Since there is huge cost involved in the storage and processing of big data, it must become valuable for an organization. Big data must be stored, processed and analyzed in a way so that it gets converted into something valuable and produces some real valuable information. Value is the major issue that we need to concentrate on. It is not just the amount of data that we store or process. It is actually the amount of valuable, reliable and trustworthy data that needs to be stored, processed and analyzed to find insights. Okay. Fourth one, velocity. Velocity is the measure of how fast data is coming in. Velocity plays a major role compared to the others. There is no point in investing so much to end up waiting for the data. So, the major aspect of big data is to provide data on demand and at a faster pace. Example, 72 hours of video are uploaded to YouTube every minute. This is the velocity. Extremely high velocity of data is another major big data characteristics. Okay. Next one, veracity or variability. Data veracity is the degree of accuracy or truthfulness of a data set. It refers to the inconsistency which can be shown by the data many times, thus hampering the process to handle and manage the data effectively. Check this table. You can see that few values are missing in this table. Data available can sometimes get missing and may be difficult to trust. With wide variety in big data types generated, quality and accuracy are difficult to control. Example, a Twitter post has hashtags and abbreviations. Okay, clear? The characteristics of big data. 5 characteristics are the volume, variety, velocity, veracity and value. Okay. Okay students, I hope it's clear to you. The notes of the topic is attached. Take down the notes and learn it. A test paper is also included. Submit your answers as soon as possible. That's all for today. We will meet in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye.